Welcome back to the course. In this section, I'm going to tell you how this course is structured and what to expect over the upcoming videos. So let's take a look. Essentially, this course is split into 3 different parts. I want you to think of this as cooking your favorite food. So what do you do when you're cooking your favorite food? Well, first you need to gather a bunch of ingredients that you're going to cook with. Then you need to know the recipe. Maybe you consult a recipe book to find out how to make that dish. And finally, you put the recipe and the ingredients together to start cooking and prepare your favorite dish. So that's how this course is structured. The first part of this course is the ingredients section. In this, we're going to look at all the different ingredients that go into writing a great essay. So the 4 ingredients that we're going to talk about are task achievement, cohesion and coherence, grammatical range, and lexical resource. You may recall from the previous section that these are actually your band descriptors. These are the 4 different categories on which your writing essay is going to be scored. So I'm going to teach you all the things that you need to do to get a great band score in each of these categories. After we've finished the ingredients section, we're then going to move on to the recipe section. This is where I'm going to show you the recipe book of how to construct a great essay. We're going to go into the strategy of writing the task 1 essay. So I'll teach you exactly what you need to do to write a great introduction, an overview, and then your paragraphs number 3 and 4 in which you have to write the key details of the infographic. Lastly, when we have the ingredients and the recipe, you're now ready to start cooking your dish. We're going to now move into the cooking section, the third and the final section of this course. We're going to be putting everything together, and I'm going to show you how to answer the writing task 1 question in a real exam situation. I will have a timer, and I will answer the question in front of you in the given time. Next, I'm going to break down my answers so that you can see how all the different parts of the essay work together. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next section in which we'll talk about what you need to do to get a great score on the task achievement band descriptor. I'll see you there.